Assalamu alaikum. We are back. Okay. Everybody is back? Okay. Okay, thank you. We will continue now. We already created a post and we published this post by a student. And we will try with another student now. Okay, okay. Okay. Now, this is another student. He will also post a thread now. We will post a thread. Okay, we already have a thread from another student. This is another student. He can see the post or the thread for other student. He can read it. Okay. As we permitted to read from another student, then he can also the student rate. Okay, for example, I give him 3/5. He can rate, and also he can reply. Then the discussion is not only between instructor and student, but also it could be between students themselves. Okay, and this is okay. He can also create a thread, this student, his own thread. Okay, for example, he can put wind energy. Okay, and he can put his thread here. Okay, okay, and he can put his thread now. Okay, for example, this is a thread from another student, and I will put it here and keep formatting. Okay, this is the thread. He can attach a file also, and then he click on submit. This post is not published till now. Okay, and this is from this student, wind energy, and he will click on OK. Okay, I will come back as instructor to approve this post or this thread. Okay, climate change. Okay, I have only one published from student. Total post 1. Okay, I have to approve. You can here display all, show all if you wish. Published only, show all. Okay, and moderate forum. I have this post from this student. Moderate. Okay, I will read it and I will publish it. Okay, submit. Now it's published. Okay. 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 Then I have 2 participants, total of posts now. Okay. I will come back as okay. Now I have 2 posts and I have 2 participants. Participant here means student who posted thread. Okay, now I have something to grade. I can grade also from needs grading here. Okay, I have this student. I can grade all users. I have 2 threads to grade here. I can grade all the students. I can read this thread. I can reply and quote it. Okay, and I can use the discussion board rubric to, okay. Okay, I will give him fair, good, and good, and excellent. Save rubric. Okay, then he gets 6.5 for this student, and I can submit the grade. Okay, I can get another student now for grading, discussion board. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Submit and save. Okay, he get 8.75, the student, and click on submit. They are graded now. Okay. I have graded all the posts. This is okay. You can also grade discussion forum from here. Okay. You can put a grade. This is already graded. Okay. But here there is 0 posts, then I will not, for example, if he didn't participate, then I have nothing to, okay, give him. Maybe I will give him 0. Okay. This is all that you need to know about the forum and discussion forum. This is how then we finish all these points, collect posts and grading the posts. Any question? Any question for this discussion forum and how we grade them? Okay, if I come back as a student now, I can, for my grades, this is my grades. As a student, I have the climate change forum here, and I have get 8.75, which is a discussion forum. Okay. This is how we post, how we create discussions, and okay, if there is no questions, then we can move to another subject. Okay. Okay, now we can move to blogs and wikis. We will start with the blogs. And we will add a blog to the course. We can add the wiki to the course, and we will understand when to use blog and when to use wikis, monitoring and managing blogs and wikis. About the blogs. A blog provides a place for students to express their thoughts and discuss course material. In a form, you can restrict students from creating new threads. In a blog, students have the freedom to create new entries. This is a big difference here in this point. We have individual versus class blogs. Blogs can be owned by each individual student or by the entire class. In individual student blog, each student is given their own blog. Only that student can post in his or her blog. And in a class blog, every student can create a new post. In both cases, students can comment on posts. And the blog course tool link, from the course tool, you can create a blog, and the create blog page will be displayed. In the blog information area, enter the name and description field for the blog. Student will see the name and when the blog is listed on the blog's page. They will not see the description until they click and select the blog. In the blog availability area, you can set the availability for the blog. Under the blog participation, if you select individual to all students, each student will get their own blog. And if you select course, level course, this will create just one blog, which all the students can post on. Under blog settings, there are settings to enable users to edit and delete their entries and posts. If you enable this, user can edit, delete only their own posts and comments. Then he will not be able to delete other posts. Under grade settings, you can assign a number of grade points to the blog. And to save to your work and create the blog, you click on Submit button. Okay, this is what we need to create a blog. Okay, I will practice now creating a blog.